Yes, ma'am, you can start.
Okay, thank you, Shweta. Good evening, everyone. Hi, welcome you to the day two for 2 day boot camp on Excel, integrating it with AI and boosting your efficiency and how you can automate different things using AI. And as I mentioned, this is the day two. So, yesterday we have completed our day one successfully. In that, we have covered how you can use different tools available out there for automating data visualization. How you can understand the charts, how you can have different agents on behalf of you to give interpretation and analysis. And as moving forward, today we are going to cover about Power Query, right? So it is something which is very important to handle the large data. And I believe everyone have a fair idea about it. So not taking much of your time, let me introduce myself. My name is Tarashi Agarwal. I'm the training head at DivyaAbility Foundation. Few things about DivyaAbility. DivyaAbility is a registered company under Section 8, Companies Act 2013. Under Divability, we focus to provide value in different aspects to the community. Let's say we organize different workshops, webinars for awareness and purpose of education. We also provide different training online courses to the person with visual impairment, focusing it should be completely accessible. Either it be accessible math, stock market, digital marketing. Beside this, we also provide a service of Scribe Pan India for a competitive exams and academic exams too. And we also help people in getting scholarship for their higher education with collaboration HTBF, Help the Blind Foundation. Along with this, we have a music band under us named Gandharv. There we promote different artists and yeah, so more about our speaker today. He's Vishal Jain. He also joined us yesterday. Before that, he has conducted different workshops at our platform. It is always incredible experience to have him on the platform. He has great insights about data science, AI, stock market, digital marketing, and his forays into Excel also. He himself is a visually impaired, so he knows those pain points where a person get stuck, and he himself learned all the things hard way. So he have different techniques, shortcuts and hacks to understand all this. And he himself is studying company secretary CS right now. So yeah, meanwhile all this, he will be giving you different aspects of corporate and jobs and all. So yeah, without taking much of the time, I would like to welcome you, Vishal.
Thank you, ma'am, and good evening, all, and welcome to the day two of the Excel bootcamp. So, guys, today we will discuss about the Power Query. Okay, as you all know about Power Query, okay, it is a automation process in Microsoft Excel, but today we'll be using AI tools. Okay, yesterday we have discussed about some AI tools, right, for automating the Excel charts and data analysis. So we are continuing with our part two journey, and today we'll discuss some other tools to automate our Excel and work more efficiently. The first biggest question is, sir, why to automate Excel? When we talk about data, data is everywhere. Data, if you just, I'll share 2 to 3 sample questions with you all. Okay. So the first question is, you can say that is, just check your call history. You may find a lot of data. Go with your marketing data, you may find thousands of rows of data. How much time it will take for you to analyze your thousands of row of data in Excel? It will take hours and hours, right? What is Power Query? Power Query helps you in analyzing the data. Okay. Power Query helps you in removing the duplication. Power Query helps you in data transformation. What is data? Simple definition is raw facts and figures are the data. Data is everywhere. Data can be in any form, audio, text, image. Okay. So, data, if you see about the data, data is everywhere. If we talk about finance, stock market, lot of data. Every day market goes up, down, you may find data. In your organization, you are working in a bank, you may get lakhs of transactions every day. That is a data. Sometimes, there will be a missing values in the data. Okay. For example, I have a data related to marketing. So in India, generally we have a 10-digit mobile number, right? Some people, they enter only 7 digits and 8 digits. It's a waste of time for me to manually go through the data. It takes a lot of time to check which is 7 digit and which is 8 digit. Okay, it will take hours of time of mine to remove that data, which is not useful for me. So what AI is doing, what Power Query is doing, Power Query is helping you in cleaning your data, analyzing your data to remove all these numbers which has a value less than 10 digits. Okay. So, it could be anything like, we find in names, emails, sometimes, there is a data duplication. Manually, when people they fill 2 times Google Forms, same user has filled 2 times. So it is a waste of time for us, right? So now we'll see the basic introduction about the Power Query. So Shweta ma'am, can we just go with the audio?
Screen sharing meeting controls window. Power show thumbnail video. Artist. Power line. Slide. Rajib Das has left the meeting. Speech mode on dash demand. Speech mode off.
This image displays a presentation slide titled Introduction to Power Query on a white background, with a black border on the left. The slide outlines Power Query as a data transformation and automation tool integrated into Excel and Power BI. It facilitates cleaning, combining, reshaping, and automating repetitive data tasks. Notably, it records transformation steps, removing the reliance on manual copy-paste and formulas. The final bullet point, partially visible, suggests its widespread application in areas such as finance and operations. Generated by Pixtree.ai.
Okay. See, just now what I have mentioned, this is what Power Query is, right? It is a basic introduction of Power Query, what Power Query is actually doing. Power Query is only not a part of Excel. You can use this in Power BI software of Microsoft as well. So Power Query is a part of data analytics. It is not only the part of Microsoft Excel, right? But yes, it is a feature of Microsoft Excel, but not completely. It is also a part of Microsoft Power BI and other tools because it is a powerful option which helps us in analyzing the data. Again, when analysis comes, first step is cleaning the data. Okay, so it is a most important step. And then, after cleaning, we have to organize data. Okay, so data transformation is there. Yes, can we have a next slide now? Like how AI can change.
This image presents a presentation slide titled Power Query Automation and AI Time Saving. It clearly contrasts the significant time spent on manual data processes, such as cleaning monthly sales data, 2 to 4 hours per file, and merging multiple Excel sheets, 1 to 2 hours, emphasizing that these repetitive tasks lead to increased errors and wasted time. The slide then introduces Power Query Automation as a solution, highlighting a much quicker first-time setup of only 30 to 60 minutes. This visual aims to demonstrate the efficiency gains through automation. Generated by Pixtree.ai.
Exactly. AI will do the work in minutes. AI will not replace you again. Okay, it's simpler. AI is just a tool which is helping us, okay, in simplifying our things. If you are interested, yes, you can do Power Query using Excel also, but it will take a lot of time, hours of time, right, to do manually. But when we talk about AI, it's do the, within minutes and seconds, you can clean your data. Yes, obviously there are some disadvantages and advantages. So ma'am, can we have next slide, which talk about the advantages and disadvantages of Power Query?
This image is a clear presentation slide likely displayed on a screen, with a central white rectangular area of text framed by dark, possibly black, borders on the left and right. The prominent title at the top of the slide reads, Advantages and Disadvantages of AI in Power Query. Below the title, the slide is neatly divided into two main sections using bullet points. The advantages section lists massive time savings, reduced human errors, smart data pattern recognition, faster decision making, and scalable for large data. The disadvantages section begins with overdependence on automation, with more points likely extending beyond the current view. Generated by Pixtree.ai.
Thank you so much, ma'am. Yes. Okay. So these are the advantages and disadvantages. So this was a just basic introduction to connect with you all with the topic, right? Because if I go directly to the tool, then you will not understand anything, sir, what you are doing. So first we should, understand like what we are doing actually. So guys, now I have some sample data with some rows. Okay. It is a sales data. Okay. So in this we have columns. Okay. Let me share my screen, then we'll.
Screen sharing meeting controls window. GP. Participants can now see your screen. Press F6 to view pop-up alert.
Okay. See, now I have a sales data. Okay. And I have opened a tool. Okay. We'll talk about this tool later. Okay. So, in sales data, generally we have some data like, date, okay, country, what we have sold, the product. Okay. So everything will be there inside this file. Okay. So I'll just guide you how to clean the data, right? The first step is cleaning the data. Okay. Cleaning is most important part of Power Query, or if when you are working with the data. Okay. So first step is cleaning the data. Okay. So let me just go to the edit box of this tool.
No next edit. Agents, GPT, Excel.
Okay. Okay. So first what we have to do, we have to just upload our file. Okay. Your data, Excel data.
Address and book G list with one AI chat formulas scripts link main landmark clickable attach file button.
Okay, so I'm just pressing enter on this attach file.
File attachment agents button collapsed.
Okay.
File attach.
From here, what you can do, you can just
file
attach
name
your
combo
file.
box collapsed.
So I have to select my file. Let me select my file.
Items view a long time tree view level 1 OneDrive. Level pictures, level download documents, pinned downloads. Items view list a long time. Today grouping expand selected. Yesterday group key metrics up monthly sales report with chart 47 of 50. Monthly product sales 48 of 50. Key financial sample 50 of 51. GPT.
I have a sheet name financial samples. So now I have selected the file of Excel. Okay, it is an Excel file. Okay, you can use any file. Okay, file of Power BI or anything. So now we are working with the Excel file. So what is our first task? That is, we have to clean the data. Why data cleaning is important? Because we have a lot of data. Data is a very vast concept, and these are raw facts and figures. We don't know what is there inside this sheet. So I have to analyze this data to understand actually what is there. Okay, and what are the important points which I can collect from this data, because data is obviously very vast. So let me just ask AI to clean this data.
No next edit. Clickable button attach edit multi-line type your message. Message. CLEANI clean G cleanings TAE dust DATA.
Okay, so data, right?
Clickable attach file attach agents button clickable enhance prompt send message button.
So I'm pressing enter on send message button.
Stop.
Okay, so AI is working on this particular file which we have a
clickable button collapse button file a clickable but edit multi out of edit message button scroll to button menu button button list with 3 items clickable what trends can be observed clickable how do discount clickable which product out of list report a clean version or would you like me to per list with 5 bullet remove bullet removing it out of list complete and clean with no missed sales numeric and on 16 columns the data includes categorical field chat history heading level 4 no next heading. Button meta plus list with 1 item visited same page link open X out of list button collapse financial sample.xlsx.
This is the file which we have uploaded, right?
81.46 KB. Button cleaning the data. The financial sample.xlsx file contains a comprehensive financial dataset with 700 data rows and
Okay, so now we have to read actually how many rows and columns.
The financial sample.xlsx file contains a comprehensive financial dataset with 700 data rows and 16 columns. The data includes categorical fields, segment, country, product, discount band, numeric and monetary fields, units sold, manufacturing price, sale price, gross sales, discounts, sales, COGS, profit, and temporal fields, date, month number, month name, year. The data appears complete and clean with no missing values or quality issues detected. For cleaning, typical steps could include list with 5 items, bullet removing any leading/trailing spaces and text fields, bullet standardizing categorical values if needed, bullet checking for and correcting any data type inconsistencies, bullet removing duplicates if any, bullet ensuring date fields are properly formatted. Out of list, would you?
Okay, see, now what AI just said is this data is already clean, okay, because this data has a structured form, okay, and it is not the data which is invalid, because in this sheet we don't have any blank cells, we don't have any misformatted dates, we don't have any you can say like values which are not related to this, okay. So exactly the data is already clean, so first step is done. But doing first step is not possible, right? Only we have did one step. Now how can I say that I will just go and check? Now next is what I want to do with this particular data. Okay, biggest next question is, so what we have to do now? Okay, what is our goal? Okay, see, my goal could be anything. For example, I want to check, okay, which product we have sold top. I want to check what we have did, okay, in last year. I want to check in last 10 years what I have did. Okay, I want to check why some countries are top performing and why some countries are not. And I want to check, how can I increase my profit? Okay, I want to increase my profit. Every business has a basic goal, which is, to increase their profit. But AI has just
button, menu button, collapsed button, scroll to bottom, clickable, attach, edit, multi out of button.
Provided us some suggestions like what we can do with this data. So we'll read this.
Menu button, list with 3 clickable, how do discounts impact gross sales and overall profit over different months?
See, these are some questions which AI is asking us.
VR raised clickable, which product segment and country combination yields the highest profit margin?
See,
out of list report of any detected anomalies or inconsistencies. A clean version, or do you have specific clean? Would you like me to perform these cleaning steps automatically on the dataset and provide you with list with 5 items, bullet and bullet removing duplicates if any.
Remove duplicates if any.
Bullet check, bullet standardizing categorical values if needed.
Okay.
Bullet removing any leading/trailing spaces and text fields.
But my goal is I want to increase my sales. Okay. So I want to check how can I increase my sales. Okay.
Message edit multi-line.
So my question is I want to increase my sales. Okay. So
if I space WANT1 space O2 space ISCRE ASE increase MYMYSLES.
Okay. So let's see.
Clickable file at agents, but clickable and send message. Stop.
Okay. So now what AI will check with this all, okay, and just give us a answer that how we can increase the sales. Okay, which steps I have to follow for increasing the sales. Increasing the sales, I can ask manually to any tool, right? ChatGPT or Gemini. But now I am increasing sales by providing my data because, AI will get to know about my data. Okay. What all things, we are doing in our organization because we have uploaded our data file, right? So now AI has everything like what we are doing. Okay. Which are the countries where we have focused more. So AI knows everything. Okay. So, we can work easily on this particular topic. So let me just
message edit
check.
Out of button. Want to would you list out of list 5. List with bull out of 4. List bull out of list 3. List bullet out of 2. List with bull out of list 1. Out of list the performance and identity to increase your. I want to increase my sale. To increase your sales using the financial data, we can analyze key factors influencing sales.
Okay. Okay, we can analyze these factors.
To increase your sales using the financial data, we can analyze key factors influencing sales performance and identify opportunities for growth. Here are some actionable steps we can take with your data. List with 5 items. 1. Sales performance analysis. List with 3 items. Bullet identify top performing products, segments, and countries. Bullet analyze sales trends over time, monthly, yearly. Bullet detect underperforming areas for targeted improvement. From DivyaAbility Foundation to everyone. Guys, please.
Okay.
Discount impact. List with 2 items. Bullet evaluate how different discount bands affect sales volume and profit.
See, discount bands. Okay, we are not giving discounts to some countries. Okay, we have banned discounts in this data file. Okay, so how this was impacting my sale? Okay, why it is impacting? Now we can check this, right? So what is impacting?
Bullet optimize discount strategies to maximize revenue without eroding profit. Out of list 3. Profitability insights. List with 2 bullet focus on high margin products or markets for sales push.
Okay.
Bullet focus on high margin products or markets for sales push. Out of list 4. Customer segmentation. List with 2 items. Bullet segment customers by purchase behavior or geography. Bullet tailor marketing and sales efforts to high potential segments. Out of list 5. Forecasting. List with 1 item. Bullet use historical sales data to forecast future sales and plan inventory. Out of list. Out of list. Would you like me to start with a detailed sales performance analysis and visualization, or do you want to focus on discount impact or profitability first?
Okay. So AI itself is asking us like which of the point we should follow first. So obviously we want the detailed sales. Okay.
Button, menu
So
button,
first
collapsed
point is
submenu button. Want to focus on discount impact or profitability first? Let me know would you like me to start with a detailed sales performance analysis and visualization, or the message edit multi?
yes, I need the detailed sales. So I'm just typing
DDETAIL details SALES.
okay, sales, right? So I want to know detailed sales performance. So I am just giving detailed sales.
Clickable file agents, clickable and send message. Stop. Message edit multi-line. Type your message here. Out of but heading and seg would you sales edison list with bullet top button collapsed open. Here is the detailed sales analysis from your data.
Okay.
Here is the detailed sales analysis from your data. List with 4 items. Bullet top 5 products by sales. Paseo, VTT, Vilo, Amarillo, Montana. Bullet top 5 segments by sales. Government, small business, enterprise, mid-market, channel partners. Bullet top 5 countries by sales. United States, Canada, France, Germany, Mexico. Bullet monthly sales trend from September 2013 to December 2014 shows fluctuations with peaks around October 2013 and October 2014. Out of list. This analysis highlights your strongest products, customer segments, and markets. You can focus sales efforts on these areas for maximum impact. Would you like to explore how discounts affect sales, or should we analyze profitability by product and segment next?
Okay. See, obviously discounts impacts, right? Discount is a factor of data. Okay. It impacts the sales because whenever we are giving more discounts, if you observe the e-commerce websites, okay, when they announce that there is a big billion sale or there is some sale. Okay, so obviously their sales level increases to the next level. Okay, and if you observe in remaining days, it is a normal just. Okay, so it is a kind of a thing where it is a factor where they are offering the discount, so that's the reason they are getting the more sales. Okay, so this is a part of again a sales. Okay, so now let me just
edit menu button scroll to button heading level 3 button collapsed fan segment. Next, would you like to sales efforts on these? Would you like to explore how discounts affect sales, or should we analyze profitability?
Okay, so discount affects sales. Yes, we want to see that how this was affecting, right? So we can work on this and we can provide more discounts. Okay, generally discounts affects. This is a general thing, right? So this is just basic thing which currently we are doing with the data. But what if you want to analyze in an advanced way, or like you want to do Power Query? So let me just
message edit multi-line type mainland space POWER power space QUERY.
I'm just giving Power Query as a command. Okay. Now I'll just share with you why I'm using this and why I'm not using the prompt engineering method also.
Click up file agents, clickable send message. Stop.
Okay. I'll share this also. Just wait for some time. I'll be using other tool. Okay. For that thing, why I'm not using here prompt engineering and why I'm using very simple commands. Okay. To analyze.
Message edit multi-line. Out of menu button. Let me list with bullet out of list. Automate cleaning and prepare it for analysis or reporting. If you want, I can help you automate cleaning and prepare it for analysis or reporting. Would you like me to generate a Power Query script for list with 3 items? Bullet cleaning and standardizing your data. Bullet summarizing sales by product, segment, and country.
Okay, so AI is asking what do you want to automate? Okay, what I want to automate. Okay, so I can automate anything. If I want to clean
bullet cleaning and standardizing your data,
I can use this.
Bullet summarizing sales by product, segment, and country.
Okay, so we can select anything.
Bullet summarizing sales by product, segment, and country selected.
We'll take this.
Message edit main. Clickable file agent, clickable send message. Message edit multi-line. Type your message here. Out of button. Menu button. Let me know your list bullet summarizing sales by product segment and message edit multi. Out of edit message. Edit multi-line. Type your message here. Blank. E. H. A. Out of it button but let me know list with bull out of list would you like me to gen list with 3 item bullet summarizing sales by product. Bullet summarizing sales by product segment. Copy to click. Message edit multi.
Just copying and pasting it. Done.
Clickable file agent. Clickable send. Stop.
Okay.
No next edit. Message edit multi-line. Type your message out of button menu button power query would you like me list with 4 items 4 load the result 2 and 3 with your 1 button copy text 2 connect 1 out of 11 numbers 10 and 9 8 7 totals and 4 product 3 num 2 source 1 let button copy button M.
So
List
this
with
is
3
your
items.
chart and table.
Bullet loads it out of here's a power query M script to summarize sales by product segment and country from your.
Okay.
Here's a Power Query M script to summarize sales by product, segment, and country from your financial data. This script will list with 3 items. Bullet loads the data from the Excel table. Bullet group data by product, segment, and country. Bullet calculate total sales for each group. Out of list. M button copy code. 1 let 2 source equals Excel dot current workbook name equals table 1 content. 3 number change type equals table dot transform column types. Source 4 product type text segment type text country type text sales type number 5 6 number group rows equals table dot group number change type product segment country 7 total sales each list dot sum sales type number 8 9 number sorted rows equals table dot sort number group rows total sales order dot descending 10 inches 11 number sorted rows. To use this list with 4 items 1 open Power Query editor in Excel 2 connect to your data.
Okay. See, this is a code, right? This is a code which you have to copy this and paste it into your Excel for running this Power Query automation. Okay, so there's a code generated by AI, okay, based on the data, okay, and it works on, again, if you want to change anything, you can change, okay, if you want to connect other data, yes, you can upload another file again, okay, just you can press B. It is a simple interface like a chat GPT which we can use. Now the biggest question, why I am not using the prompt engineering methods or people talk. Yesterday you were saying about prompt engineering. Why you are not using any prompt engineering? You are giving very simple questions which we give normally to the chat GPT. Okay, see guys, chat GPT and Gemini, those are all-in-one tools, or you can say these are tools which helps you in many things. You can generate music using Gemini, you can generate website also. But this tool, okay, the tool which we are using, okay, GPT Excel, so it is a tool, this is only for Excel. Okay, this is a tool work only for Excel, and it is an agent. Okay, and this agent only works for Excel. You can automate your Power Query, you can automate your data dashboards. Okay, you can also automate your data using this and connect with your Excel. But why we have to do this, or why we have to use this, is again that it takes a lot of time to generate the codes in Excel. And sometimes we get confused when we have a bulky data, but in this you won't be getting any confusion, but just you are uploading the file and you are giving prompts. But if I have Gemini, so we'll see with the Gemini as well.
Your scheduled action is
okay, so we'll just go to the Gemini
address and G is Google Gemini.
Okay, this is your Gemini
main landmark. Enter.
Okay, see, we can do using this also. But here you have to mention, you have to follow the structure of the prompt engineering. What is the structure? First, a role. Okay. Generally, Power Query or data analysis, done by a data analyst. Okay. AI analyst, expert professionals in the companies. Okay. So you have to give a role to the AI, act as an AI, analyst, data analyst, data science, something, a role. Okay. Second option we have to mention is that what you want to do. For example, cleaning the data, organizing the data, Power Query, okay, automating. In Power Query, what you are looking for, okay? So, for example, you are looking that you want a detailed sales report. You want to remove some duplicate errors from your data, okay? Or you want to check, is there any blank row or column in your data? Sir, we can do this using Excel also. Why we have to use this? Again, the answer for this question is for 1 row and 2 row, it is possible, it is easy. But if I have a rows in, thousands and lakhs, it is very difficult, okay, to check. And we are not only talking about blank rows or columns. Okay, sometimes we have duplicates data, same value, missing value. There is, there is a biggest step, like lot of things we have to do. Okay, so next is you have to give your task. Okay, so the biggest task which you have to give is, for this AI role is what you want to do. Okay, and what you want to work on. Okay, so this is the biggest thing in which we are working. Okay, and obviously you have to mention some notes, okay, that provide me in simple interface. Okay, and if you want to generate M code, you have to provide AI instructions that generate a M code for me, okay, to run automate in Excel. Okay, and I'm using accessibility screen reader, so everything. Okay, so prompt should be detailed, okay, not simple, not in 1 or 2 lines. Okay, you have to write. So let me just load the file again in Gemini.
Clickable open upload file menu. Menu upload file options menu. Upload file. Blank. Open dialog file name. Items view a long time ago grouping expanded. Chrome setup not.
Okay, so let me select that particular file which we have downloaded just.
Today grouping expanded. Workshop on Excel selected. Yesterday financial sample 100. Google Gemini. Google Gemini doc.
Okay, now I'm just giving a normal prompt is that. Okay. So what we want to do with this data. So I'll just I'll type Power Query. Okay.
POWER power space QUERY.
And I'll send this.
Click of tools. Clickable send message. Stop. Enter a prompt for. Gemini replied.
Okay. So let Gemini work on this particular file. Okay. And then we will just give a detailed prompt as well.
I have loaded the financial sample.xlsx sheet 1.csv file you provided. This looks like the standard Microsoft financial sample dataset often used for Power BI and Power Query tutorials. It contains 700 rows and 16 columns. Bullet categorical data, segment, country, product, discount band, bullet numerical data, units sold, manufacturing price, sale price, gross sales, discounts, sales, COGS, profit, bullet data, date, month number, month name, year. Since you mentioned Power Query, are you looking to perform some data cleaning, transformation, or analysis on this dataset? For example, I can help you. 1. Filter/sort rows. E.G. Show only specific segments or countries. 2. Add custom columns. E.G. Calculating a new metric. 3. Group by/aggregate. E.G.
Okay. So again, the question comes is what we want to do. Now I think you got an idea that if we are not using the method of prompt engineering, then there is no use. Okay. So we have to work with the detailed prompt that AI should, know that, what we have to do with this data. Okay. So you have to provide everything. Okay. What you actually want. So this is the reason just I want to show you the difference between this, if you are using AI tool without prompt engineering, what will happen. And now I will show you if you use this with the prompt engineering, then what will happen. Okay, then which type of responses will get. It saves a lot of time. Okay, it saves a lot of time. Now AI, just I have used one word Power Query. So AI is asking actually what you are looking for, right? So the biggest question is this. So now how to generate a prompt? Okay, it is very difficult for me to write a prompt, very detailed prompt. So we'll ask AI to write a prompt for us. Okay, will AI will give a prompt? Yes. Okay, so now we'll write a prompt using this Gemini tool. So I'll just give a small prompt to the Gemini is that I want to analyze this data, okay, using large language model, which is LLM, okay, AI tool. So could you please generate a prompt for me, which I can give to the large language model LLM, which helps me in analyzing this data, okay, and also helps me in identifying that why sales are dropping, or in generating the sales report or cleaning the data. I want to automate this data, okay, the file which I have uploaded. So could you please generate a prompt for me? Okay, so if I give this kind of prompt to the AI, any AI, ChatGPT or Gemini, okay, these tools, what they do is they'll provide you the prompt in a structured format, okay, which you can use for generating your sales report or anything. Okay, it saves a lot of time. So let me just
No next edit
give a
field.
prompt to the Gemini.
No previous edit field. Out of edit blank. Menu button click. Menu clickable. Enter a prompt for Gemini. Open upload file menu. Enter a prompt for Gemini. Edit multi-line. D.
Okay. Could you generate a prompt for me? I want to analyze this data and follow all the steps from data cleaning to data transformation.
Generate a prompt for me. I want to analyze this data and follow. Could you generate a
Okay. Using large language models.
space is USEING using space is LLM.
Okay.
Click a tool. Clickable set. Gemini. Enter a. Gemini replied. Refining.
Okay.
Show thinking. Out of it, out of list, out of block, out of list, out of block, out of list, out of block, quote list with 4 items, out of list. Gemini said heading level 2. Here is a copy of this data set of specific formats, all separator. Copy the text below. Block quote act as an expert business data analyst and Power Query specialist. I have a data set named.
See, this is a role. First, AI has followed the role. What is the role?
Out of block quote act as an expert business data analyst and Power Query specialist. I have a data set named. Financial sample with 700 rows and the following 16 columns.
See, this is a format which you have to follow.
Categorical segment, country, product, discount band, contains some missing values.
We'll read this, what AI has written.
Categorical segment, country, product, discount band, contains some missing values. Numerical units sold, manufacturing price, sale price, gross sales, discounts, sales, COGS, profit, date, month number, month name, year. I want to perform a complete data analysis pipeline from cleaning to transformation and finally business insights. Please execute this using Python, pandas, but explain your logic as if we were applying Power Query steps. Important output constraints. Greater, please ensure all explanations, code blocks, and data outputs are fully optimized for a screen reader. Use clear descriptive headings, bullet points for lists, and standard markdown tables for data previews. Avoid ASCII art, complex nested formatting, or relying on visual charts. Instead, provide detailed text-based summaries of any trends or distributions. Please follow these steps in order. Step 1. Data profiling and cleaning. List with 3 items. Bullet identify any missing values, especially in the discount band column, and propose a logical way to fill or handle them based on business context.
Okay. So AI has written a detailed prompt. Okay. If I want to write this manually, yes, I can do. But it will take a lot of time, right? I have to write everything. So I use AI itself to write a prompt as well. Okay. Because it automates my 50% work and remaining 50% just I have to verify and check. You know, sometimes AI does mistakes. Yes, there are some mistakes in this also. Okay. That actually I'm looking only for Excel, but AI has used the prompt engineering. So I have to mention that, no, you have to use only Excel because I need Power Query only for Excel, no Python and other things. Okay. So yes, sometimes it does because of, incomplete response. So again, your response, the effective response more you give, the more effective output you'll get, right? So most important is your input, the input which you are giving. Okay. It is most important part. So we'll copy this and we'll try now again. What?
Filler, identify any missing. Show thinking, clickable, good respond, click a redo menu, copy button, copy.
Okay. So I'll just paste this.
Clickable, enter a prompt. Enter a prompt. Out of it, clickable, enter a prompt for Gemini. Edit multi-line. Here is a comprehensive.
Okay. So now I'll just upload the file.
Clickable, open, upload file. Menu, upload file option, upload files. Blank. Open dialog file. Items view list. Date modify. A long time ago grouping expanded. Chrome setup not selected 1 of 147. Today grouping expanded. Worksheet selected. Yesterday financial sample 1. Google Gemini document. Clickable tools, expand, clickable, send message. Gemini, enter a prompt for Gemini. Edit multi-line. Ask Gemini 3.
Now we'll see the
Gemini
response
replied.
of AI. Okay, what AI does. Okay, now we have seen the response of giving just
show thinking.
Now we'll see the full prompt response and how it is different from giving the basic prompt. Okay, so we'll just identify a difference.
Clickable, identifying missing.
Okay, AI is working.
Step 1. Data profile. Gemini said heading level 2.
Now you will actually get to know that whether in this we have any missing values or not. Because when you give a detailed prompt to AI, cross-check it. But just, we have typed normal prompts to the AI agent. So when you type normal prompts, what happens means AI will check from the top to bottom and then replies that yes or no, yes or no, yes or no. That's all. But we want detailed response. So you have to give a role to your AI, act as an, marketing data analyst or anything, the domain which you are targeting. Okay, so there are many domains. You can ask AI, you are working in a bank, example, you are working in, top companies, you are working with so and so company. Okay, and the most secretive part is how can I make this prompt more effective and more, even more. So to analyze the data, again, we are talking about data analysis. So I'll give you one more, biggest advantage of using this AI itself for generating the prompt and what more you can add. Okay, this is also a simple prompt for me, right? I want to include something more. So now I'll be just, using some techniques to, ask AI that, yeah, I have used same prompt to the chat GPT and chat GPT has given the 10 out of 10 and your is, it is only 6. So just check what you are missing with this. Okay, where you can improve. Okay, you are just missing something. Go through again. Okay, go through my data. I can include anything. You can say it's a type of blackmail, but yes, we can do with AI to get more effective response. Okay, generally prompt engineering is a skill, right? We are learning and we are applying in our daily life. So there is no any secretive method to master this. You have to work how you can use this easily. So that's what we are using. We are using everything using AI, right? I'm not even typing a single word here. Okay, I'm just using AI to generate everything. Okay, it is automated. If I want to generate a website, I'll give you are an expert web developer, right? So it changes again topic to topic. So we'll just see what AI has said.
Clickable heading level 2 step 1 data. Heading level 2 step 1 data profiling and cleaning. In this first step, we examine the raw data for any inconsistencies, missing values, and incorrect formatting, much like the data profiling tools and transform tabs you would use in Power Query. Heading level 3 identifying missing values. List with 3 items bullet. Upon loading the dataset, I found exactly 53 missing values in the discount band column. Bullet. By analyzing the rows where discount band is missing, I discovered that the discounts applied in those rows are always 0.0 dot. Bullet. Business logic applied. Since no discount was applied to these transactions, the most logical and accurate way to handle these missing values is to replace them with the text value none. This is equivalent to using the replace values feature in Power Query. Out of list. Heading level 3 verifying and correcting data types. List with 3 items bullet. The date column was initially stored as text. I have converted it to a proper datetime object so we can use it for time-based analysis later. Equivalent to changing the column type to date in Power Query. Bullet. The manufacturing price and sale price columns were stored as whole numbers. I have converted them to decimal numbers, floats, to match the other financial.
See, this is a power of prompt engineering. This is a power of AI. Now, just now we have used the tool with the simple prompt, right? Then we got a response as there is no missing value. But now we got that there are 53 missing values in discount column. Okay, this is a, method or if you want to do task more effectively. Okay, or if you want to work more with AI, so you have to use these techniques. Now step by step we have everything. Okay, it is a detailed response generated by AI. Okay, so yes, I will be just sharing with you all the prompts as well. But the most important thing is other than prompt is, okay, you have to use some other AI tools like Excel GPT. So we have used Excel GPT, but Excel GPT, when you are using, yes, you have to write the detail prompt. When we have written the first detail prompt, we got response. Second detail prompt, it was saying is no missing because we have not given any role. So sometimes role giving is most important. That role plays a most important role is that what you want to do and what you are looking for actually. Okay, so this is a comparison, right? This is a comparison or difference between normal prompt engineering and expert level prompt engineering. Now, if you compare these both tools, 90% of the audience will say, sir, Gemini is more better than this. No, prompt is more better than this because there we have used only single words and letters. Okay, if you use these type of techniques, you will get more detailed response in that website only. But the difference what I want to show you all is just understand the prompt. Okay, understand the command so that you can do any kind of analysis. Okay, it is not about data or it is not about information. If you want to do anything, just a prompt. Every tool is a best tool in the world, but why we are dealing with the prompt? Because we have to see that how to get best responses, how to get more effective responses. Okay, so automating Excel is, yes, we are doing with AI. So automating Excel is, again, there are many tools. Which tools I have to use? I use many tools for automating Excel. There is no one particular tool, right? There are many tools which I particularly use. And if we talk about the premium versions of this because some people were asking. So GPT Excel is the best tool which you can use. They have a very less fees. Only it charges $6 per month. Okay. Or you can say it charges $9 if you want to use more advanced level, and $6, obviously $72 it will cost you annually, and which is, a cheap tool which we can easily use, because obviously if you work on one project, you can charge this much from your client. If you are giving the response, definitely your client will pay. Okay, so for giving response, or for, automating AI is everywhere, but I want to show you is only automating AI is not possible. First, how you should know the language of AI. For example, if I want to host this workshop in French, it is not possible because I don't know. So computer as well, computer understands their own language. Okay, so you have to give this type of languages. It is prompt again. Okay, so we can automate using these tools. I know I'm a bit faster, because we have very less time, and I want to show more and talk more about these all things, like how you can automate not only Excel, any tool in the world. Okay, so this is a thing from my
Screen
side.
sharing.
Okay, I have shared the basic, I have shared here that how you can change the things, what mistakes you are doing so that you can correct, and prompt engineering for visually impaired, nobody is teaching. Okay, that is the most important part, is that you have to mention all screen readers and the versions. How to make more effective, I have already taught you this just now. That is, you can just play with AI and say that I have given same prompt to the ChatGPT, and ChatGPT has generated more effective prompt than you. So correct the mistake, right? So AI will go into the more deep analysis, and you will be getting more accurate response in this. Okay. So that's all, ma'am, from my side. And thank you so much for this opportunity. And if anybody has any questions, I'm ready to clarify. Okay. Any doubts?
Okay, thanks a lot, Vishal, first of all, for this explanation. It was really helpful. Shweta, can we open the platform for Q&A?
Yes, ma'am.
I have a doubt.
Yeah, come again. You were not clear.
Can you hear me?
Your volume is a bit low.
Can you hear me? Hello?
Yeah, go on.
Yeah. So, yeah, thank you very much again, Vishal. It was quite nice. I just have a one question. So, you said about GPT Excel, na? And so, I want to ask you about, is it GPT Excel only used for data analysis or visualization, or can it do like what I say, VLOOKUP or the advanced task of Excel? Can you just explain on that? And a follow-up question is about, you mentioned a Power Query and Power BI. So can you just let me know about, does it focus on the DEX query language that the Power BI has, or how it is like? I just want that clarification. When you were explaining, it was I was not able to get it. Yeah.
Yes. So your answer for the first question is yes, GPT Excel is for everything. Okay. Because mainly we are targeting with the data analytics and data analysis. So that's the reason I'm using only one term as Power Query. But yes, you can do everything, even if you need a formula or anything. Okay. So it is for everything, and you can use it. And the next question is, Power BI is a software of Microsoft Excel, and Microsoft, not Excel, Microsoft Office. Okay. So yes, you can use their software to automate this. And no, the language which you are saying is, it is different too. It is a Power Query is a just, it is an automation tool which we are using. It is not like that, right? So it is a tool which we are using inside Excel as well. So it automates the things. It saves your time, right?
Okay.
Thank you,
Hello, good evening,
Rohan,
sir.
for the question. Shweta, do we have any raised hands?
Yeah. Uma ma'am is there, yes. She
Okay.
wants to unmute because I think during the meeting only she raised her hand.
Okay. Oh, ma'am, you can ask the question. Can you hear us?
Anyone else want to ask? They can unmute.
Hello,
Anyone
good
have?
evening, sir.
Yeah.
Yes. So, is this Power Query feature available in Microsoft Excel 2016?
Microsoft 2016, you have to check, but I think it is available because it is very old, so you can check. If I'm not sure because in 19 onwards I have seen 16 is very older, so you have to check whether it is there or not. But you can find it out. If it is not there, you can go with the alternate solution of you can use Excel using web. Okay, that's the thing which we are, same thing we are doing with this Copilot. We are not getting Copilot in Excel. So we are using web version of that, and from there we are getting to advance. Some features are not there in 2021 as well. So for that solution is that you can access the web version of Excel.
Web version, okay. Sir. But the web version is not very accessible, right?
No, it is working good. You can use with JAWS.
With JAWS, okay.
Okay, thank you संजय sir for the question. Do we have any other question? किसी को कोई और डाउट है? अगर किसी को कहीं पे कुछ समझ नहीं आया है, आप पूछ सकते हैं एक बार विशाल सर से.
Ma'am, excuse me, ma'am. Am I audible?
Yeah, you are audible, ma'am. Go on.
Okay. Thank you, ma'am. Thank you. Vishal sir, it was a really nice session yesterday and today. You explained very nicely. I have a very simple query. You may you are an expert in it, so you may feel like my question is also silly, but I need a solution for this problem. That's why I'm asking this query, sir. Like when we do a simple task in Excel, say for example, when I'm a professor, so I mark attendance in the Excel sheet. I want to do formatting. That is formatting in the sense like I have to take printout from cited point of view. So I have to insert rows and columns. So for inserting rows and columns, every time I need cited assistance. Is there any possibility of taking AI assistance for this?
Ma'am, first of all, thank you for this question. And never feel like that this question is basic and nobody is expert. Even sometimes even I feel confusing. Just now I said that I'm not aware of the question, right? So yes, a very good question. Yes, you can upload to Chat GPT. You can use simple tool is Chat GPT, right? And you can insert the rows and columns. And using Excel insert tab also you can insert. Okay,
We can
so
insert, sir. We are able to
uh,
insert it, but whether it is visible for sighted person, whether we have to
yeah.
adjust the rows and columns. So
That
how
you
we
can do
can?
using AI. AI. Simple
That's
use the
what.
prompt that you have to give the role to the AI as you are an expert Excel. You are working in the domain of Excel. Like that, you have to start your prompt. First give a role, then just mention that I'm visually impaired and I want to present this sheet in front of sighted person. So you have to adjust all the size, weight, color, and match with my data. Okay, so you have to mention all these things. Then AI will help you in this, and the response will be next level, right? Because I use for presentation, so it comes.
So it is giving you like very good output. Am I
Yeah,
right, sir?
yeah.
Okay.
Because I have a lot of presentation to present. So when I use AI, I generally give a detailed prompt. I never mention that create a PowerPoint presentation. I give a detailed prompt as you are an, expert in PowerPoint and you are working in so and so company. You have to present now. So how you present? So I ask AI all these things. Then, I ask to generate the presentation. So that will get accurate response.
Okay. Let me try, sir. Okay. Thank you, Vishal, sir. Nice. Thank you for DivyaAbility Foundation for organizing this workshop. Thank you so much.
Thanks, so ma'am. That's our pleasure. And yeah, I think AI really help in getting assistance in place of a person. I personally have also tried and felt this कि हम बहुत सारी चीजें AI से solve कर सकते हैं जो हम पहले किसी से पूछते थे. We have to trouble someone every time, right? So yeah, in many things that includes visual aspect gets solved by AI. And it was
Even
really nice
data
point
charts,
of
ma'am.
highlight.
Even data
Yeah,
charts, I'll share with
right,
you.
right.
Many people ask me simple questions, sir. How can I check the candlestick of stock market? I say you can use AI. You can ask AI that which candle is forming, right? AI is everywhere. Everybody is using. Okay, so you can use. We are not using for our personal recommendations. We are just learning, right? Obviously, you have to do research again, but to check all these things, you can use AI. Which chart pattern is forming? There are many things. Which sale pattern is working with your data. You can do many experiments. Yes, you have to do experiments with AI, then you'll be getting the responses at next level.
100% agree. Like there are so many photo description tools and apps out there. Even we use Pixtree AI with us. So it really gives a nice explanation of charts, as you mentioned, candlesticks and bars, graphs, and all. So yeah, AI is helping a lot in this way. Do we have any other questions, Shweta?
मैम एक बार हिंदी में भी कुछ
किसी को अगर कहीं पे कोई डाउट है तो विशाल सर आपको आंसर करेंगे. आप अनम्यूट करके पूछ सकते हैं एक बार उनसे डायरेक्टली.
Ma'am, we don't have any raised hand.
Hello, am I audible?
Yeah, you are audible.
Hi, my name is Basavaraj, and it's a very good session I had today, but due to some technical issues in between, I lost. I am sorry if this question has been covered in the session. Actually, my question is when we do formatting for the particular cells in the Excel, we change the color of that cell particular. So can we identify by using AI that this particular cell has been formatted with this XYZ color like that?
Yes, you have to ask to the AI. And you can, even I'll share with you one more interesting thing. You can format colors for individual cells as well. For example, you want color, for A something, for B, and you want some color for B1. So you can do manual. But yes, you have to work a lot on this. You have to give repeated prompts to the AI. But yes, you can give colors. You can identify. You can ask AI what you have, generated. For confirmation, you can start the new chat and ask again, upload the same file which is generated by AI, and you can ask like whether it has generated properly or not. Okay, so there are a lot of things, but yes, again, you have to do a lot of experiments with AI. It will not work with the one prompt.
Okay, got it. Thank you.
Ma'am, I think we
Just
can
to add on.
deliver what we want.
Okay, thank you, Shweta. So, as Baswaraj sir said, if you have missed anything in this session, we're going to provide the recording on our YouTube channel. For that, we are dropping the link on the chat. You can do subscribe. You will get a notification for the recording as and when we upload it. And we have a WhatsApp group for updates. I think few people were asking about different courses. So we are dropping the link for the group as well. Do join the channel and group. You will be getting the updates for upcoming courses. Vishal, do you want to add something?
I want to add only one simple thing. It is now we have to, use AI. Don't worry about the accessibility. Learn AI. You can just accessible your own world. This is what I have learned. So I
Right.
want to
This
share
was
this
very
thing.
important thing to highlight. Yeah. Accessibility is not an issue in case of using AI. So it's just that you need consistency, patience, and determination to learn it. So that would play a bigger role, I believe.
Yes. And there are a lot
Okay.
to learn. So, we were very fast, ma'am. So I am very
Yeah, I
sure
was
that
coming on.
very few people have understood.
Yeah, I was coming on this only. Yesterday we covered the tool that was Formula Bot, right? And today we discussed. Sorry.
Analytics formula bot. Yesterday we discussed, no? That tool
Ah,
name.
yeah. And today all about Power Query. Vishal, but I think there is more lot things and tools to understand, right?
Ma'am, I'll just share with you just recent news, very recent news. Okay. So, if you observe for generating music, they were using Suno and other apps, right? Just now, yesterday, Google Gemini has released the new feature, Generate Music. and just type that feature that will replace the real human. This is a recent. So AI is changing. So we cannot say that today, formula bot, tomorrow would be something. So we need some structure learning. We need somebody to
Totally, I
guide.
also experienced that. Like Gemini create that song that was
So
really
it is not
amazing.
about data, anything,
True.
right?
So actually,
So
many internal AIs are there, but as a visually impaired, not
there is no
exploring that much.
accessibility.
Yeah, not only for accessibility, sir. They are not even me also. For example, me prepare some data. No, I'm going to Gemini or I'm going to this one, Copilot. Otherwise, I'm going to this one, ChatGPT. So yesterday you introduced the new AI. No, that is new for me. So there are many AIs are hidden, but we want to find. So that is the problem, sir. Because in our tutorial channels also giving some features only. So it's ourselves not exploring properly. That's the problem.
Shakti
Even copy AI.
Priya sir, we completely agree with this. That is why we came to a solution. As
Yes,
Vishal knows so many tools, and it was not possible to outcase every tool in these 2 days or in 2 hours.
yes,
So we
ma'am.
have curated a course. Vishal has like n number of tools related to AI, not limited to Excel. Like he has a
Yes,
vast knowledge in different domains. So we were just having a discussion that you mentioned. People even don't know about these gems. They are not aware about it. कि ऐसा भी कुछ exist भी करता है. So what we did, we made a list of that, and yeah, we integrated it with Excel, and
yes.
we have still have different domains to touch. So Vishal, you were talking about the list of tools, I believe, right?
Uh,
Yes, ma'am, there are
it,
many. Like, for Excel, if you talk only about Excel, I use 20
mm,
tools to automate my Excel because Excel has no one feature. We have charts, we have Power Query, we have, again, if you come to this, which we have not covered in this, but it is the most important topic, which is pivot table. Okay,
which
interesting
are
and amazing. So that is the
so,
thing. And there are a lot of things. Okay, so there are many tools. We again, why 20 tools? Because yesterday I have mentioned that we have some limitations for free versions, right? So to use multiple tools, it saves your cost. You can work on this. So that is the reason I use multiple tools for multiple things, and some tools have new features.
Yeah,
true, sir.
right. Hmm. So
Because we are fixing some boundaries, so we cannot do this thing, so we cannot do this kind of things, so we are fixing some boundaries, so that boundary only we are working. So that is the actually I'm working in Shankar Eye Hospital, so I'm facing this issue in my rehabilitation department. So
right, so
Vijay sir, can I take your number from group, because I have some doubts also. So personally, shall I take your number?
Sir, actually,
so
I've
I will just
shared
coming on
the
this only.
yeah,
So we have shared our number in the chat. I will repeat
yeah.
that number once again. If you want to
Okay.
connect to Vishal, we can do that. Before that, I have few announcements. As I mentioned, there are so many tools which are, working around Excel. It was not possible to deliver on the 2 day or 3 day workshop. So we have
So
curated a course for it. The course is Integrating AI with Excel. It is a 2 month course in which we will be conducting the classes from Monday to Friday. Each session will be of 1 hour. Vishal will be delivering the content, will be covering different prompt engineering topics, integrating AI with Excel. And it would be a course which is completely accessible. And Vishal, do you want to add more things to the topic and the outline to
Ma'am,
this?
there is no tool is, we cannot say about inaccessibility now if you see, because AI works with the text, AI works with the prompt, and prompt is not inaccessible, never, never. And the most important thing, if we talk about Excel, who should attend this course? First of all, if you are really interested in learning AI, you want to learn AI, yes, you can explore by yourself as well. I'll not force you to join this course and come and attend these lectures. If you know, yes, you can explore. There is a lot of free content available on the internet. But why we suggest course is what we have observed. The content is available, but how we can get started being a visual impaired, this is the most important question. So that is what I want to solve. So this course is specially for those who want to learn AI, who want to use AI and who are interested in AI, but they want some kind of guidance or structured learning. So for them, this course. But yes, there is a lot of resource available which you can go through internet, right? If you are not interested in that, but it takes you 1 hour a day, and in that 1 hour you have to check which source is accessible, which website is accessible, whether it works for me or not. It will take years and years to learn AI. But if you come to this course, you'll master everything in 2 months. So yes, you can go into the domains of data analyst, AI analyst. Okay, because I am working in this domain, so I know very well that which tools are accessible. And my main domain is this AI, right? So I work in AI. I focus on AI and I use AI to automate my business. So if you are really interested in automating, then this course is for you.
How
100%
can I
agree.
join?
Rather going to different platforms and different channels, if you can just directly go to the expert and you can get everything curated, served there, that will save lot of your energy and time. So yeah, as sir asked how you can join this, we're going to drop the registration link in our WhatsApp channel. You can do register. And for the people who have attended the boot camp for yesterday and today, they will be getting a boot camp offer. We have noted the names of people who attended, and the bootcamp offer will be a 50% discount. So you will be getting this course at 1,999. Just in case if you have any other like if you take time, you will be losing the bootcamp offer. You have to drop the message to our WhatsApp number. You have to DM that I am interested, my name is this, and I belong from this place. Just drop this message till today 12 midnight. Your seat will be booked. You will be getting the 50% discount offer, and you have to pay the amount in coming 3 days. 3 days means Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday. That would be your complete allotment of the seat. And yeah, that is it from my side. If you have any doubt, you can feel free to ask.
Ma'am, before doubts, I want to share one important thing is, guys, just, I will not talk about the course. Generally, I'll ask you a question just after ending this session, just work on this. The most important thing is you just think yourself and ask yourself, what is the difference between me and the person who is successful? Like we see many interviews in our daily life and we think, yeah, why we are not? Why we are different and what we are not doing and what they are doing, even in the community of visually impaired. So think and find the answer for this question. You'll understand something is that only the mistake is what we are doing is we are not up to date with the trend. So any course, any tool, anything if you are using, just focus on updations, just focus on the, what is the going on in the market, what tools are working. Yesterday I have shared some tools and obviously, yes, I'll give a lot of free resources. You can explore those and just understand what is the difference, right? So this is the most important thing which you should know.
Yeah, to add on to this, as we were discussing, that how AI will replace us, right? So we were brainstorming on this and we came to a conclusion. AI won't replace us. Someone who learned AI will replace us. I think everyone gonna agree with this. So it's the high time you should pull up your socks and start learning different AI tools out there. And as Vishal mentioned, like every day, new tools, new features are coming. This market is really dynamic. So you have to be upgraded and you have to be updated at every point of time. And that is why I just want to focus. Don't miss the time, don't miss the opportunity. Do enroll for this course. Generally, we don't focus on enrolling for other courses, but we really believe AI is something that everyone should learn. And yeah, I would like to repeat that till today we are open with the offer of 50% discount. We are offering at 1,999, and after today, like from tomorrow onwards, if you will enroll for that, it would be 3,999. Okay, so 50% discount is for today only. Till 12 midnight, you have to send the DM to our number that we have dropped in the chat. And after that, it's gonna cost 3,999. And you have a window of 3 days in order to pay the amount. So take your chance, invest this amount on yourself, and be someone who knows AI and use it as a sword, and go out in the market to be excelled.
Ma'am, I would like to just tell the number so that if people want to note it down, they can do that.
Yeah, sure.
So, number is 8708606035. I will repeat 8708606035. Yeah. You can DM on this number.
Thank you, Shweta, for telling the number. It is in the chat itself. You can take from there as well. And all the links have been dropped. If you still have any doubt and query, feel free to ask.
What will be the timings?
Timing will be from 6 p.m. to 7 p.m., Monday to Friday.
I think हमें feedback ले लेना चाहिए.
Okay, we are done with the questions. If you have any feedback, you can tell us about that also.
Ma'am, sorry, can you repeat that number,
Please,
ma'am?
one by one. Yeah, sure. It's
Okay, I'll
87.
Yeah, I'll repeat the
87.
number. It's
Yeah.
8708
Okay.
606
Yes, yes.
035.
Okay.
Yeah.
8708 606 035.
035. Yeah.
Okay.
Excuse me, sir. Madam, excuse me. So if we do this course, so will you provide any certification, a certificate, or just only?
Yeah, it is a course with certificate. Can you please tell your name once because your ID is being displayed with Samsung?
Sorry, my name is Krishna, madam. Krishna.
Krishna. Okay, Krishna,
Yes.
sir. Yeah, it would be a certified course. We will be giving you the certificate for this.
Okay, from DivyaAbility Foundation, no?
Yes, yes, yes.
Sorry, I have one personal request to you. So, ma'am, actually it's a mid of month now. So, in my salary credited on Monday only, like next Monday. So, can I join that course on next Monday? Is it possible?
Yeah, just do call me. We can have a discussion on this.
Yeah, please. Because it's a month end, no, that's why.
Yeah,
So it's
I completely agree. I'm just facing the same crunch right now. No worries, you can call me. We can have a discussion on this.
Yeah, regarding the course, we can discuss later on.
Yeah.
I guess if you guys can provide us like feedback for the session, that will be really helpful for all of us.
yes, yes, yes. And which time I'll call you, ma'am? For call or message, which time I'm doing?
I
You
think
can
10
call
to
in
6 will
working
be
hours
the
anytime. No worries.
yeah.
Working hours.
Hmm.
Okay.
Okay,
Okay,
do
ma'am.
we have any feedback, any question, anything that you want to ask about the tools that we have discussed yesterday and today?
Yes. Ma'am,
Madam?
actually, yesterday,
Yes.
Mr. Vishal, right? Vishal introduced some like this one, formula bot. So my question is, we can make some reports also, right? Due to them that this thing, AI bot, like a daily
Yes.
report or monthly report also we can make
Yes.
properly, right?
You can make every report, bro. Expense tracker also you can make. So reports are yes, you can generate.
Yes,
And
yes, bro.
for
Because
reports, you can use this tool, bro, which I have demonstrated today. Now it is more better than yesterday's one. So you can use this tool for GPT
okay, that
Excel.
name is sorry, GPT Excel.
Yeah. Dot UK is a website. Okay, gptexcel.uk.
Okay. Because why I'm asking this question means every day I'm facing with report making only, bro. There are some patient details and this kind of thing. Because actually you show some this one sales report, no? That's what I'm getting confused. Okay.
Sir, will
No,
you
you
send
can
the recordings
generate.
in
You can.
WhatsApp only?
Sorry?
Sorry?
Madam, will you send the recordings in WhatsApp or chat only? Means the YouTube link or whatever is saying, no? We want recordings of these two sessions.
Yeah, we will be
When
sharing. Yeah.
when we'll upload on the YouTube channel, we'll share in the WhatsApp group and WhatsApp channel itself that links. You
Okay,
can
madam.
also join a YouTube channel for the
Yeah,
notification.
you can share YouTube channel link. Madam. You can join.
It's in the
Yeah.
chat.
Then if you want what are the tools that they have mentioned, So will you send that tools links also, like
Yeah,
formula
sure.
and everything?
That will be shared in our webinar group, the update one group.
By
Okay.
tomorrow, you will get prompts as well. Don't worry, you'll get prompts, tools. You'll get a Word document. There will be everything in that.
Yeah,
Hello.
like if anyone is unable to access the chat or so, you can DM me on the number which I shared. I will add you in the group if you want to.
We're going to share the recording for the session as well and the course as well. Whatever sessions Vishal will be taking for the course, it would be a recorded course. So you can refer to that recording anytime.
Ma'am, for this thing, digital marketing course also have some YouTube playlist or have some Google Drive formatting, ma'am. So where
So for this,
when
please contact me in personal. I would guide you in the better way for
sure, ma'am,
digital
through
marketing.
WhatsApp only, right?